Welcome to our series of videos taking a look at the characters section in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at creating your own character templates that you can use throughout your different projects in Plottr. So to do that, we just head to the Attributes button in the Character toolbar. And now you can see the attributes we've already created. There's type of house, role, gender, primary trait, and animal type. Now, if we'd like to use this character template throughout different projects, we can save it as a template simply by clicking on the Save as Template button. Now we can give it a name, so I'll call this My Three Little Pigs. You can give it a description if you'd like, and any source link. Then when we click Save and Close, it is now available as a template to use in other projects. So let's open a blank file and see how that looks. So here we see a brand new blank file. And if we click on the Use Template button, you can see now, up under My Templates, you have the option for My Three Little Pigs. And when you click on that, it will show you the attributes we created earlier. And when you click Choose, you can now enter those for a new character in a different project. Currently, you can't change the attributes associated with the template, but you can change the name and description here in the Templates menu. So here, if we click on the Three Little Pigs, we can edit the name, description, or source link, or we can delete the template entirely. So that covers custom character templates in Plottr. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for all our newest information. And be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.